So there's a small tab in here, and if that tab is not in the right spot, this connector can come loose. The tab I'm speaking of is in the center right here. It's this part right here. So, for example, if you try to install this in there, this may be what yours is doing. Is it sitting right there, but it can come right out. Or it may not come all the way out, but it may come loose a little bit. And if it does that, it cannot connect to the metal terminal in here. And that will keep the toy from powering on. So what you can do is pop this out. Again, if it's not coming all the way out, all you need to do is use a small flat tip screwdriver in this little slot here. And if you do that, you can sort of bend upward, and that will bend that tab so it can come all the way out. And then we're just going to bend the tab upward. So you've got this middle tab here. You use this screwdriver and just show you sideways. If you just bend it upward, like so. Go. Now you can see instead of being flat, it goes up this way. What that's going to do is clip onto the tab inside here. So we're going to slide this back into place like this, and you're going to hear it click. There you go. And now it won't come out of place. And it should look just like that. And then you can plug it in, and your toy should power on.